Welcome back. Whether or not you have limited the ability for individuals to start chatting until they have been a member for some time, you can interact with them by chat as the group owner. You can go to the Members tab. You will see that Skool will give you a chat suggestion. You can click on the chat suggestion bubble, and you can write your message into the individual. In that message, you can add in an attachment, an emoji, and you can add in a GIF. Once you have your message ready, you can then click enter, and your message will then be visible to the individual. They will then see a message in their chat area. What they will do is to go to that chat area. They will then click on your message. They will then be able to reply. And then they will then be able to reply to your message. And you will see the reply here in this area. So you will be able to contact the individuals in your community as well as to direct message them as you maintain the community. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.